Oh, beware, beware, beware of the evil that comes with the sweetest smile, with the best of intentions, saying all the things that you want to hear. Oh, especially us women, we are so easily deceived if we're not aware, if we're not praying, if we're not checking in with God, if we willingly ignore the red flags for the looks, for the way they come in. Beware, beware, stay sharp. Do not give in to the worldly things. The devil is so cunning, and he is working double, triple these days. And he finds a way in. So don't let him. Let him keep trying to find a way in. Don't invite him in. Don't open that door. It's tempting, but it's so frivolous. It's so empty. It's so superficial. Why put yourself through something that is not going to last? Stay focused on Jesus. It is the greatest love. It is the love that you need. It is the man, the father, the brother, everything that you need in one. Focus on that. Deny the flesh, deny the flesh, deny the flesh. And trust in God. Have faith. Like, don't be of little faith. Trust in God. If you keep thinking about the things that you don't have, if you keep focusing on the things that you don't have, then you will somehow convince yourself that you are lacking on that department. Sorry. But you're not. You're not. The world will say you are, but God keeps telling you you're not. Believe him. That's all. Many blessings, much love. Have a beautiful, beautiful Saturday.